Hello everyone, welcome to Analytics with Asmi. In this video we are going to see how we can use COUNTIF function in MS Excel or Google Sheet. COUNTIF is one of the most powerful function in Excel which is used in data analysis. It allows you to count number of cells in a range that meets a specific criteria. Means if you want to calculate number of cells in one or more criteria, then COUNTIF function is used. Now let's see how we can use COUNTIF function when you have only one criteria. Here we have a student data with 6 columns: student ID, gender, stage ID, grade ID, section and topic, and we have to calculate the number of students present in section A, B and C. To calculate the number of students present in each section, we are going to use COUNTIF formula. So the syntax for it is COUNTIF in bracket range comma criteria, where range is range of a cell that you want to count. So here we are going to count the number of students and the criteria will be the condition you want to count. So we are going to count here the number of students in section A. So let's see in Excel how we can use this formula. Let's calculate in Excel. We'll start the formula by writing is equal to, then write COUNTIF. Here you can see it counts the number of cells within a range that meet a given criteria. Tap to select. Here you can see two parameters, range and criteria. So the range will be our section because we are going to calculate the A. How many A are present in this column E, right? So we'll select this range and give comma, and our criteria will be this A, as we are going to calculate the number of students present in section A. So range will be this, as we are finding the how many A are present in column E, and the criteria will be A. We will complete the bracket and hit enter. Now we can see there are 10 students in section A. Now we will flash fill this, and we can see in section B we have 6 students and in section C we have a 7 students. This is how we can use the COUNTIF formula when you have one criteria. In the next video we will see how we can use the COUNTIF formula when you have 2 or more criteria. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.